Hello, good morning guys. So today is a very beautiful day and finally I am going for an interview. I got a job in Corner, but due to coronavirus the business was shut down. So after many of the tries, today I got a job interview call. It is a company called eLight and I don't know much about it, but it sells LED, so I think it's sales for LED lights. So I'll go there and check it out. So yeah, that's the plan. So guys, here is my car and we guys are so rich that we have so many cars. So now he will go and get the car. If I want my car to get out, I have to remove this car. So it's like, you know, we are very rich. So whenever you see many cars which are used and old cars, just understand that some students are living here. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 cars. Alright, so I have to drive for 30 minutes. So I'll go there and see you there. And let's see how the interview goes. So guys, you can see a car of police there, maybe in the camera. It's over there. So I was just waiting for Praveen to come, and I had parked my car on the wrong side. So he came and took my license, asked me like he gave me a warning. He said, you won't get a fine, it's just a warning, no demerit point. He just took my address, my details and my license number and stuff. So guys, here I am. The office is behind, and there was an incident with police before I came here. I will talk to that. I'll talk to you that about later. Right now I'm going for the interview. I'll come back and tell you how was it. So yeah, see ya. Whew. So guys, finally I'm back to home and I will tell you what happened. So when I was going and I just reversed my car over there, and I was on the wrong side of the road, and a car of police came. So they asked me if there is anything wrong with it or what. So I said no, I'm just waiting for my friend. But I was on the wrong side, so he came out and he told me to he told me to check my license, and he took my license. He noted everything down, and I said them, please don't find me, I'm just waiting, I'm just outside my house, this is my house, I live here. So he said no, it's alright, I'm just giving you a warning that you cannot park on the wrong side. So I didn't have so I don't have to pay the fine, I'll just get a warning. But so take care of this, every little rule is important. If the police comes and you are breaking any rule, you will be in trouble. So today luckily I didn't get any fine, but now onwards I will never park on the wrong side. It was just for 2 minutes, but you know, in that 2 minutes the police came and stuff like that. So the interview went well. The company is selling, so the company sells LED lights and tube lights to various industries as well as residential house. So our role as a salesperson is to go and sell the lights, and on every sale we will get a commission. So overall it's a fair job. I will try for it, and they told me that they will call me back in 2 days. The only thing I did wrong was when he said that there is no base pay. I was not so, like, I didn't give a good vibes. So he might be thinking that I'm not much interested in this job. But actually it's a good thing, because I've got some reviews that people buy LEDs, and if they buy I will get commission. So it's a good thing. So I will tell you what happens. And he asked me about my experience, and he told me if I have any questions. So I asked some questions, and it was just a formal talk. So we talked about it, and he told me to give me a call back. So let's see how it goes. I will inform you. All the best.